Okay, fixing of zip or zipper. Okay, you measure the length of the zip you want to use. You know, some zips are longer than this, so you measure it. So it's this way. There are two ways you can go about it. You go this way. This is how the zipper is supposed to be. So you sew it this way. Complete this one, then sew the second one this way. Okay, so it's going to come out this way. Sew it this way. So this one, stop here. So the second one, second side. Okay, let's get to the machine. Okay, this is how I fixed the zip. Okay, this is the back, the zipper side. So you'll have joined the length, you'll have measured the length of the zip you are using. So this is where your zip is going to stay. So what do we do? The zip is supposed to be like this. Supposed to be like this. Okay, so you sew this place. Follow me as I sew it. Did the second one too. Okay, the zipper has been fixed. Okay, so zipper as that. Fine one. Okay, I'll be showing us a fitted neckline. Okay, I'll be using this for the pleating step. Okay, this I'm going to go only the front one, so I plait it here. So continue, continue. Okay, I continue, and that's how we go around it. And then having gone around it, I'm going to sew it inside this way. Okay, let me complete the pleating first, then I'll sew it round. That's how it's going to be. Okay, this is how the neck is, how we stand. Okay, this side will stand. So by on this, I'll be hemming this. I'll be hemming this way, so it will stand this way. Can't you see it's beautiful? Can't you see the beauty coming out really well? Okay, let me complete it. Okay, so what next am I going to do? I'll be fixing the zip now. Okay, I will fix the zip, and then I'll be using this to add to the height, the length of it. just to make it beautiful. It's going to really come out very nice. Okay, then fix the hem, the sleeve. Okay, I'll be showing us how we're fixing the zipper. Okay, let's go.